I'll try to do this in one shoot, but yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go fast this time. You know, they say 10-minute YouTube video, 10 minutes to fix your headlight. Hell, it takes 3 freaking hours to edit this or try to get a video that's cohesive, including doing that. So I'm just going to keep it short and simple. LT5, she's a girl, collector's edition, 6-speed. That's the collector's edition with the LT5. Grand Sport motor, but it's not a Grand Sport. Got the regular body, regular tires. But it does have the collector's edition rims. Okay. Disconnect the battery before you do any electricity. But I know you want to hear that famous noise. So, here we go. Listen to this. They all sound a little different. So mine doesn't sound like that. They sound a little different. But she knows something wrong. She's telling you about it. Daddy fixed me. She keeps on doing it over and over and over. You get in arguments about it. I said, baby, I'm going to fix you. Do you want me to take you to the shop? I'll drop you at the shop, I told her. Silver Fox 3. That's her name. And she says, no, Daddy, no, you do it, no. I said, okay, then calm down, please, baby. I'll do it when I do it. This is the bark. They're going to bark at you. This is my bark on 96 Silver Fox 3. Okay. This one here just has a whirring sound. Whir. That one is the one that was making that the boxing sound. I call it barking. She's barking at you. Try it again. It seems to come from the middle. I think it's that one. Yeah, it's that one. Either way, it doesn't matter. So one's whirring, and the other one's barking. So anyway, the kit is like $2.35 plus shipping. So you're looking at about $5. What the hell is it? I'm going to show it to you. That's move on, man. Back up. He loves me. He's always in the way, though. He goes, loves Daddy. Okay, here it is right here. 6 little tiny urethane plugs, whatever you want to call them. Like $2.35 or something like that. Plus shipping. Genesis Tool Company. American owned, American made. This guy's good, man. Really good. Now you can get the metal pins if you want. No, but it's not necessary. Well, the metal pins and the metal gears, you'll see here in a minute. Not necessary. Because you want to keep it stock Corvette. Secondly, metal doesn't forgive. Once it finds a place to break, easily lock up, shear itself, and all kinds of other stuff. That clicking noise is that the motor here is powerful enough to spin it against its will. These will be worn out, but not powerful enough to. These are not strong enough to fight the motor. The motor there. These aren't strong enough to fight it, so she beats them. Pow, pow, pow. She goes right through them, and she's telling you, "Daddy, fix my headlights." That's where we get an argument. Well, we didn't get an argument, honey. I'm sorry. It wasn't an argument. I was just telling you, slow down. She gets, that's a bark, Corvette bark. You'll have people in your car say, what's that? And then all you got to do is, it's a 80s car, you know what I mean? You say, it's a Corvette thing. You wouldn't understand. That's the language between you and your car. Your baby's telling you, Daddy. Well, I told you already what she said. And I said to her, okay, fine. You want to go to the shop? And since you're such a hurry, I'll take you to the shop, okay? She's like, no, Daddy, no. You do it, Daddy, you do it. Okay, then calm down, baby. So today came to a head, and we're doing it now, okay, baby? We're doing it now, baby. I clean my own car. They said they detailed the car when I bought it. I bought it about 3 years ago. What a laughing joke of garbage. The detail job. And I said, I called him on that up in Antioch. And they said, oh, no problem, no problem. We'll talk to him. Yeah, I'll call you back 3 days later. Yeah. He said he was going to detail the car properly. If you bring it back, he'll detail it. Hell no, buddy boy. No way, Jose. Yeah, I can detail jack shit. Do your own detail. Do that. This car happens to have about 66,000 miles on it. But things break. Well, 66,000 miles. But it's not even the miles. It's the year. 96 with these electronic pucks. Pucks go through winter, cold, warm, humidity, and everything else. You know how plastic is. $2.35, shipping, $5. Fix it yourself. Or take her to the shop and pay $1,500. It's a complicated subject, sir. You know, so anyway, put stuff down here. First time ever for me. Put stuff down here and all around the way. And tape. I'm going to finish taping it. You know, some tape. If you nick that or drop that headlight out of here, they better have somewhere safe to go. Don't get me wrong. You're still going to squeeze your butt cheeks as hard as you can. But at least you'll be more careful next time and not paying for it. I told her, honey, what do you think they're going to do? They're going to do the same goddamn thing. Well, they're not going to do that, believe me. They're not going to do this, buddy boy. We'll get it done about maybe an hour for them? But for us new timers, as long as we want, she's worth it. She says, I don't care how long it takes, Daddy, as long as you do it. That's all she cares about, is you. Nobody else. If you don't have that relationship with your Corvette, maybe you're not treating her right. Maybe you're, you know what I mean, not paying attention to her. You know, maybe you don't talk to her, you know, nothing. I don't know. I've seen a lot of shitty, messed up, busted up Corvettes. But this baby girl was nice, and I'm going to keep it that way. NCRS, National Corvette Restoration Society. That's how she came. The old man was nice. On top of that, look when he left. I found this just the other day. I've had this car for 3 years. That piece right there that gives you that 2 inches opening, even though it's locked. See this opening here? It makes, but no more than it looks cool. When you have the tire top off, and you're doing 50 or 60, and you have that back shut because you don't have that part, that fun part. You know you get that. Like, oh my God, what's wrong? Oh my God, oh my God, almighty, help me, please, Jesus Christ. So you take it to the shop because you can't figure it out. I'm telling you what it is. Is the air has to go, it goes through here and as you clean it to this little opening. They didn't come at the factory. This was later developed. In the plastic, and they blend right in, and they're tight. Don't over tighten it. You don't want this glass to flex. Okay? That glass flexes and snaps. You know how it is with these baby girls. You buy one of these cars, you better have a backup plan. You know what I mean? A lot of people that end up with these cars can't afford the car they bought. Oh, I got a cheap Corvette for $6,000. It looks like $1 million. They did 5, 10, 15 years ago. This is a $20,000 car, and that's cheaper than dirt. I don't even pat myself on the back. $20,000 ain't gonna make nobody rich. I bought it for, I want to say 15 even. They wouldn't go down on it, and I didn't care. I knew what it was. I know what it is. 66,000 miles. Corvette Special Collector's Edition. Grand Sport motor. That's an LT5 1-year motor. You would know that because that's that stick shift. Very rare, very rare. 96, that was basically all automatics. And these are the collector edition specific rims. They're not necessarily attractive to me, but whatever. You know, it was 1996. What do you want? Okay, let's buy some new rims and tires, man. Let's go oversize. Well, these rims and tires are plenty big enough, and they're designed for this suspension. Okay? Put on your big-ass tires, your big-ass garbage. We're going to get shitty gas mileage. Oh, you get lots of grip. But where are you going? To the grocery store? Come on, man. This car was designed for this size, weight, and cross width of tire. That's what it's designed for. It's hard to get these, but you can still get them. Now, if and when I replace these, and these are good tires, Michelin Pilot Sports. Imagine that. The old man knew what he was doing. Well, they don't make these tires much anymore at all, but they do have Mickey Thompson. Who wouldn't want to put Mickey Thompson tires? Oh my God. On their Corvette, man. That is legal. You know, not hoopo, Japanese cuckoo, kaka, poo-poo, whatever the hell they call it, nikasanika. You know, what's the other one? Come ho. No. If you put Mickey Thompson's on here, man. I'm going Mickey Thompson. Now, they're only rated up to about, I want to say 150 miles an hour. This car will go 175 miles an hour. I'm not patting it myself on the back. I had no things. I didn't do it. Many periodical magazines and everything else. It's a 175 mile an hour car. Tire top on, windows shut, no little extra fun in the back. Make sure all's good. 175 miles an hour ain't free. Yeah, but I read that the Bugatti goes 220 miles an hour. Who gives a shit? There's no 220 miles an hour anywhere in the United States. Anywhere. So this is more than enough car you'll ever have. And then the Mickey Thompson, 150 miles. I'm never going to go 100. I am not going to take this car to top speed. She's going to say, Daddy, what do you think you're doing? Are you high on crank? Yes, you are, she's going to say. No, stop, slow down. 1996, Daddy, I'm not a little girl anymore. Okay, 96, 06, 16, 26. She's 30 now, 30. That puts her in antique status. Leave that 175 miles an hour to the brand new Corvette. Come on, man. Ain't nobody going 175 miles an hour. If you're going to take going 175 miles an hour, you lost your license. You'll start over like you were 16 years old again. When you can. It's not going to be right away. Believe me, I've been through stuff like that. Okay? There's no 175 miles an hour. Oh, yeah, there is. I'm going to take my car to the racing track. You're going to take a car like this to the racing track, right? What kind of cars they have out there nowadays? Don't do anything stupid. If you're going to do that, make sure your suspension's 100%. Okay? Poly bushings. Poly bushings. Racing tires. Fresh racing shocks. Okay? Everything checked out. Every single thing. If you think you're going to go farting around, make sure you got plenty of your coolant system's up to BAM. Better than stock. Better than stock. Okay. You're such a hater. You don't want me to race my Corvette. Well, it's not. It's your baby girl. She's a woman now. She's in stock form. Go ahead, take your car racing. Scratch her up. Do whatever you want to do to her. Anybody can do what they want to do. Those are the cars that end up, down the road. Wow, I got a car with all these racing parts on it, man. For freaking $5,000. Gee, I wonder why. And then keep stock Corvette parts on it. General Motors parts. Every time you go aftermarket, hey, there's a suitable replacement. Cool. Before you know it, you have a Chinese car. There's no part on it that's American anymore. Napa sells General Motors approved parts for these cars. Advanced Style's not going to do it. Now they're going to say, "Oh, we got one. Oh yeah, it comes from China." Same thing. It's not the same thing. American-made products are the best products in the world. Yeah, you're going to pay 10 cents more, but you get 100% more for your money. See, you can afford to keep your Corvette that you got. I finally bought a Corvette. Well, that's just the beginning of the story. Little things you got to fix and shit like that. You better buy that paperback Haynes book with it and start wrenching. If you don't already wrench, you better wrench. You got to wrench. If you ain't wrenching, you're getting drenched. Anyway, that's my take. Now, I'll show you, and I'll go on with another video, maybe in the notes. You got 2 bolts there, a bolt up there, and a bolt down there. First, you gotta take that harness, click it off. And before you click that out, because they just connected to the car, make sure you take your electricity out. Anytime you're working on electric, anytime for any reason, for your electric. That's what this button's for. See, that's a little quiz. What's that button? I've never seen one of those, Ricky. This is the stupid thing. When you connect this to this, you stick it in there and you disconnect it right there, just like that. And then screw it up and it clicks back on. Other than that, you're going to have to pop this panel off. Whoop-ah! And jimmy the battery out this way. So if you're going to do that, you better put that in, buddy. Right there. See there? And right here. See there? And when it touches, you make contact. And that's how long it lasts on this particular baby girl. All right. Let me get working on taking the headlights out.